To order the correct size of glass sliding doors, accurate measurement is essential. We distinguish between two situations. You already have a veranda or another type of covering. Or you are ordering a Gumax veranda together with glass sliding doors. In both cases, the passage height is important. This is the height from the top of the foundation or paving to the leveled underside of the gutter. Attention! After installation of the glass sliding doors, this height is approximately 7.5 centimeters lower due to the rail system. It is also important that the bottom rail is installed level and on a surface or foundation that can support 390 kilograms. Would you like to install the glass sliding doors on the side of a Gumax veranda? Then you always need an 8-degree glass wedge. Suppose you are ordering a Gumax veranda together with glass sliding doors. When configuring your veranda, you can choose from different heights for the glass sliding doors. This height depends on your desired passage height or the available installation space for the wall profile. First, determine your desired passage height for the glass sliding doors. Enter it in our measuring tool on the website. Under the heading Height to Underside of Wall Profile, you will see the corresponding wall profile height. Check whether this height fits your facade. The wall profile must be mounted across the full width without any obstructions. Note that the calculation assumes a level terrace. Often your terrace will have a slight slope. Measure the slope and subtract it from the wall profile height. Would you like to recess the bottom rail into your terrace? Then subtract 18 millimeters from the wall profile height. Is your situation different, or do you have questions? Then please contact our customer service. We will be happy to assist you personally.